Deep cleaning on HP 15-DY2076 in our laptop. Thank you, Ma'am Cherise, for trusting PTT IT Solutions. Deep cleaning an HP 15 laptop is a highly beneficial and wise decision to maintain its performance, longevity, and overall efficiency. Over time, dust and debris accumulate inside the laptop, especially in a cooling system, which can cause overheating, thermal throttling, and reduce performance. By thoroughly cleaning the internal components, including fans, vents, and sinks, proper airflow is restored, preventing excessive heat buildup that can damage critical hardware. Additionally, deep cleaning can help reduce fan noise, improve energy efficiency, and enhance the laptop's overall stability. Whether used for work, gaming, or daily tasks, a clean laptop runs cooler, smoother, and more reliably, ensuring an extended lifespan and optimal performance. At PTT IT Solutions, we take immense pride in offering precise and reliable laptop repair services. Our skilled technicians use advanced tools and methods to ensure that every repair is handled with the utmost care. Deep cleaning is done. Visit our shop to avail our service and have your deep cleaning too. Follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.